Hello, in this video we show you how to remove and replace the right engine mount on the Renault Scenic second generation with a 1.6 petrol engine. That's the engine mount right there that we're going to remove. But before we remove the engine mount, first we need to remove the cover under the engine so that we can support the engine before we remove the engine mount. If the video is useful, please like and subscribe. Next we're going to put a jack underneath the engine to support the engine. And now we can remove the engine mount. The engine mount is held by 6 bolts, 2, 3 and another 3 there that we need to remove. Okay, now that we removed all the bolts, we should be able to remove the engine mount, but this AC line is in the way, so we need to split the engine mount into 2 parts. There is a bolt just there that holds the 2 parts of the engine mount together. We're gonna remove the bolt and then the 2 parts are gonna go out easier. Okay, now we're gonna remove the bolt and the 2 parts will go out. And that's the engine mount out. Now we can put on the new engine mount. Thank you for watching.